guess nothing is magical as a first date. So you really want to look your best version, but still yourself. So here's how to look perfect on a first date, but with a minimalistic twist. So I like to start with the moisturizer, as it not just nourishes your skin, but also gives you that dewy, fresh look, which is exactly what we need for this look.
We got no plans, we got nothing.
Next up are brows. As we all know that brows frames the eyes, so it is very important to define our brows before we move on with the eye makeup. Just draw on a few feathery strokes and blend it in with the spoolie. Now apply just concealer on all the high points of my face, and remember, we need to keep this look as light coverage as possible.
I just can't fight it, you know.
Now I'm going to pick up this beautiful pink eyeshadow and run it lightly in my crease and not on the entire eyelid. See, here's the tip. Applying the eyeshadow in the crease will define your eyes without even using a darker transition shade. And don't forget to apply the same eyeshadow in the lower lash area as well. I'm not a big fan of felt tip liners. Instead, I prefer using a black eyeshadow with an angular brush and then go on drawing a lightly faded thin eyeliner.
Wednesday night just hanging out.
And how can we forget to curl your lashes? Just go on giving them a quick lift, and then comes my favorite part. Girls, you have to check out this mascara. It's my current favorite. I really like this blush as it goes perfectly with the undertone. And the area where you should apply the blush is between the contouring and highlighting area, and also a little bit on the apple of your cheeks, and then go on applying on the forehead as well to bring some warmth to your face. I really like this highlighter shade from the same palette. So I'm going to apply it in the inner corner, the bridge of my nose, the cheekbones, and on the brow bone. Basically on all the high points of my face. And I love how this step brings the look together. No contouring for this look. If you're looking for a good long-lasting matte nude lipstick, well, here it is. I love how this looks, and you can leave it as it is. Or spice it up and add some chicness to the look by putting on some red lipstick. Make sure you go for a shade that goes perfectly with your undertone. And here's the final look. I love this soft romantic makeup look. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, have a great day and a great date. You can find all the product and my social media details in the description box below. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe.
You see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we can't deny it. Yeah, 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 you know.